Yeah. Okay. So yesterday we spoke about the function model, and we started as well with the LV report. So LV, it's a above list view. It's a report in a form of data. Uh, in LV, when we print data, it comes in form like a Excel.
Yeah.
So we have three types of reporting above. We have classical report, interacting report, and the LV. So LV, when we execute it, we can see our data in form of Excel. So in LV, we can do the calculations. Uh, we can edit actually our report after developing it in LV compared to classical report and interacting report. So this tab tab pool, it's a database. This SLIS, it's a database. So this database contains everything that we need for LV. So let
Mhm.
me open it so you can see. Yeah. So into the source code. Let's go back because I must open it. So it's a database which contains every element of LV. So I've created a structure. This structure, I took it from the database that I want to design the report. This is the standard database that I've taken this data over here to design the report. uh, To design the report. So I've declared my structure and I've declared my internal table. In LV, we don't need the working area. Sometimes maybe if we want to use it in the event, but most of the time we use internal table because the internal table is the one that we're gonna pass it into our function model. So I've declared this internal table, tab table offer structure, which is this structure here, and I also declare the internal table of LCIS, which is also standard table which contain the event for LV. So that's why here I declare the name of it underscore table underscore field catalog. So this field catalog is inside of this database. So I have also declared also working area. So this working area I have referred to this database. So here I went with selection screen. So I can say start of selection. So here I have I have selected the data from the function module MKT, which is this data from the table, and I've pushed it into internal table. And here I've declared the working area of the table, this S SLIS, and I've passed because I want to display it in the format I'm gonna show you when I run this report, when I execute this report. So field name, I've given the name of the field. If we go back to the database, to here's the field name I've taken from there that I've given there. And this is a working area column position. So this means column underscore position equal 1, because in the structure this file here, it's 1. So I give column 1, and the working area, and select test. I want it medium or small, so I want it to be medium. That's why I get M there.
M.
So if I put S, so it means small.
Small.
Then the name of of the field. This is the name of the field. So this is the data element, and this is the name of it, the material number. And the inverse size is the color that I wanted to display. So these things. So yeah, so now I have to append this internal work area to internal table. So let me show you how it works. So this is the way that you work with LV report. Still loading. Yeah. So LV report, it's a it's a report that we want to print a report in the form of Excel. That's why we go with LV report. So I will append this work area. This work area. Append it means to add to internal table. So when append, it means to add. So I've added this work area into internal table. So I'm gonna clean this work area because I've added. So clean. So yeah, I'm just gonna copy it, and the paste. So how many file is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I must paste it 4 times. 1, 2,
4 times.
4 times. So in this 4 times, what is the second file? Is this one.
Express.
So we copy it. See what position it is. It's position 2. And in the work, what is it? The language key. So we copy it. Paste it there.
Language
It says
key.
the number of colors. So we can leave the color like that, or we can change it if you want to as well. So the third file is this. So we copy it. And then what is it? The material describe. Okay. So we paste it there. For the color, you can also leave it like that, there's no problem. So the fourth one, actually this is third position.
3.
So this will be fourth position.
Mm.
So now we have to call the function model. To call the function model, give by the pattern. First, let me pretty pointer. So pretty pointer to allow the text to be in a format,
Make it neat.
everything to be the same. So
Yeah.
the function model. So the function model is reuse. So we have gray. We have the LV gray display. We have also list display. So gray, if you want the data to look like in a gray format, then you go for gray. And the list is when you want also the data to look in the form of list, then you go for list. So let's try list.
Okay.
Use LV list display. So you choose it. So now we have called our function model. So in this function model, as we said that there's a spot and there's import, there's also table. So what you're going to use, we're going to use this. I'm just going to take what we use. So the internal table, we're taking this internal table of the structure. We copy it
On tables.
and then paste it in. So, and we have to comment the export. So the export, we have to pass the internal table for field catalog, which is this one.
Okay.
So it's the internal table for field catalog. So we pass it to where's the here's the we have to uncomment this as well. So we uncomment it, then we pass it in. So we pass it in. I think everything is fine now. So we can save it. Check it. So the book enter
You're missing an S.
which is missing. So we save it.
Yeah.
Check it again. No error fine. Activate it. So let's run it. So it gave us error. So this error, where is it coming from? Why is it throwing error? So let's go back to the program. Okay, so let's try it again.
The I structure name we don't have to comment that one out, just like how we
The I structure, no. The
did.
I structure, we use the I structure when we pass the database name. So here, we do not pass the database. So the I structure, we use it when we want to take everything from the database.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Okay, I think it's active now.
The system is a bit slow. Okay. So here's the data. Here's the data. For this color, the color that we put in did not show. So it's only 4 because it's only 4 files that we have used. This 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why it designed it like this. So in the LV, you can sort like in semi order. So you say what you want to sort, maybe the material number that you want to sort. So copy it. So it gives you in the order that you want it to be. You can see here. So this how LV works. So we can also add logo of the company on top of this report, on top here. So that we will see tomorrow. Then tomorrow we can see how to add logo and the edge information and the some events in every report. So in case like I don't want to work.
Sorry, my network kicked me out for a few seconds there.
Okay. Yeah, so when we execute the report, it's network, maybe because it's raining. That's why the network is mixing. Yeah, so you can see that we all have this 4 files that we have used in our structure. So they got also some events like we can add the logo of the company, the date, and give this report name that we want, the colors. So this color that we have put here did not show. So this color did not show. So it means we did not give the proper numbers of these colors. That's why the color did not come. So other thing we can also do, we can also add some, like example, in the header, we can say, we can add like time, we can add time, we can add the date, all these things. So, because it's getting late now, I think we're gonna see everything tomorrow. To add date and time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's fine.
Yeah, like you ever say,
this is more than enough.
Yeah. All
information
the
for
time
today.
They wanna send you. If you read the material, it's gonna help you a lot. Because with
sorry,
the material I send you, did you receive it?
Yeah. Yes, I did.
Yeah, you must also read it. Spend more time on it. It's gonna help you as well. Of course, with
Okay, thank you.